Hi guys, it's time for your science lesson. We actually finished all the systems of the human body and we went through the five senses. So the last one we did, if you remember, we did taste. We tasted all those different things and found areas on our tongue where we were able to taste those things. So I'm working on compiling your books for you. They're all still at school in the classroom and I will get them all compiled into a beautiful book because you guys did an amazing job with all those systems. You do have your notebooks with you, so you have notes on all the different systems. So if you want to look back, if you need information, you have all of that in your notebook, so you can look back at your notes. What I thought we would do next, and this is what we were planning to do if we were back in school together this week, is that we are going to be researching some diseases from different systems. So what I did is I gave you a couple sheets. I'm on my digestive system page, but I gave you a couple sheets that look like this about research. So you have a couple different options of systems. I have the skeletal system, the muscular system, digestive, and I believe the nervous system are included in your packets. So what you guys can do is you can choose, these are just some suggested diseases that are related to this system. So I'm in the digestive system. These are some suggested diseases that I could research. You guys can pick. Maybe you have a friend or a family member that has one of these diseases. Maybe you yourself have one of these things and you want to learn a little bit more about it. I would invite you to pick something that's meaningful for you. And I want you to pick two different diseases. So maybe one from digestive and one from nervous, or if you really feel called to do two from a certain system, that's fine. But I would like you to research two different diseases for me for science, and you have 2 weeks to do this. So you'll have a little bit of time to work on this research. Some simple questions. So which disorder did you choose? What is the cause of this disorder? So is this genetic? Is this something that you're just born with? Is this related to diet because we're in the digestive system? Is there something that causes this disorder? How does this disorder affect the body and what are the symptoms? So what would someone who has this disorder be experiencing? So symptoms are the things that would be happening in their daily lives, where they're outward things or maybe inside things that are happening related to this disease. And then what is the treatment? Is there a treatment? If there's not a treatment, what are people doing to try to cure this disease or try to help this disease or try to help people that have this disease? And then other interesting facts, maybe some statistics about who gets these diseases or where it's most common. It could be, how many people a year get this certain disease, if there's a certain age group, male or female. And then references. Where did you find your information? So I would like you for the next 2 weeks to spend some time researching these two diseases, and then we'll meet in 2 weeks. I'll do another video, and I'm going to show you a little bit more that we can do with these diseases. All right, take care. Have fun.